Here is Boyle's Law by Thomas Smith. Well, I'm going to explain to you about this thing called Boyle's Law. One day, I was happily walking down the street and I see a guy named Boyle. He said, "Hello, Mr. Smith. I feel like I'm finna die. If I give you this formula, could you introduce it to the world?" And I said, "Sure, Mr. Boyle. What is the formula?" So as you come on, I want to guide you to the steps how to do the Boyle's Law. Wait, first, I'm gonna there's one lady that he was with. Her name was Johnson. She gave me a rap to Boyle's Law, to all the elements and everything that goes to it. The Boyle's Law is compress, fluidity, diffusion, and low density. See, like my balloons that I have some balloons that I blew up. With the pressure going inside of the balloon makes the balloon get bigger. Watch, I'm going to get a balloon and blow it up and show you how the pressure from the breath goes inside the balloon. I know I'm working that game. What the balloons is? Don't watch me. What the balloons is? Hey, don't watch me, boy. So with this balloon that I have, by me going into it, it gets bigger and bigger, which is pressure. See, there's pressure inside of here. If I let it go, it gets smaller. As it decreases, the pressure goes out. But if I blow it to increase, it's going to get bigger. So, yeah, the mathematical relationship of Boyle's Law is direct. Boyle's Law is a direct thing. No, I'm sorry. Boyle's Law is inverse relationship. The formula to Boyle's Law is P1 V1 equals P2 V2. Mr. Boyle had also asked me, he told me some things that the Boyle's Law consists of pressure. It's all about pressure in Boyle's Law. There's the 4 properties of gases, which is in Boyle's Law also, is fluidity, low density, compress, and diffusion. I also made up some problems to go along with Boyle's Law. Let's see. The things that I have, I'm going to also have someone, I'm going to guide someone right here, my little sister, through the steps of how to do the Boyle's Law. Keep them to now. Yeah, so I'm going to teach her how to do the steps. She's only in the 6th grade, so I'm going to direct her. Okay, listen here. When you do Boyle's Law, it's P1 V1 plus P2 V2, which is the pressure is always going to be an ATM or KP or anything like that. And the volume is always going to stay ml, which is it's always going to have liters in it. So I'm going to give you this problem right here. First, I'm going to show you how to do a problem. Right here, I'm going to my pen. Yeah, okay. I just need a pen. Not a pen. Okay, here goes my pen. I'm going to do a problem.
Oh, you going to get away? No, he told me to do a problem for his video. I know. I'm just need to Kathy up real quick.
Please excuse me while I work this problem out. Okay, well, I worked the problem out. It came out to x equals 1.5. Okay. So here you go. You can do this problem. Here, you can sit at this table right here. That's my teaching skill that I taught her that's going to wear off. I taught her how to do this. So look, you're going to take this. Remember, it's P1. This is the P's, and these are the V's. So it's P1 times. This is V1. This is V2. This is P1. It's P1 times V1 equals V2. So you're going to have to, I'm going to guide you through it. First you have to write 400 point. Then you have to put that in parentheses. Now put V1 in parentheses, also right next to it. No, you don't have to write V1. And put that in parentheses. Equals that right there. Now, hold on, as you have that, I'm going to give you a calculator. Now remember, when you do this, you have to multiply that and that to get, and you gotta, once you get that answer, you have to divide it by that. So can you multiply those two together, please? And we're going to see if your answer is the same as my answer that I get. See, this is the answer that I got for my problem right here. If you can just look a little closer, I got that right there. Let me know when it's going to be. Let's see, look. Remember, you have to put 400 point times 300 divided by 0.360 equals 333. That's what I get, 333. So she got the same answer as me. I'm going to give her another problem. I'm going to give you this one right here. Let's see if she gets the same answer as me. Now I'm not going to help you with this one. Just try to see if you can get it on your own. Remember, it's P1, V1, P2, V2.
They're in the same order. This.
No, they're not in the order. You just have to figure out. Remember, ATM is always going to be pressure, and this liter is always going to be value. So this is P1, that's V1, and that's V2. So you don't have to write them. Time is running short. Look, I wrote them down for you right there. Now multiply that into that. It's going to be 150 anyway. Now put 750 divided by 500. X equals 1.5. That's also the answer that I have for my problem. Now, to sum it all up, Boyle's law is basically around pressure and value. If you ever need help with Boyle's law, I am one of the best that can help you. This man gave me his formula himself to give to me, for me to give to the world. I explained it my best, and that's it. Class, I hope you enjoyed the video of me doing this. Hope you got it the best way you can. And yeah, that's the end of Boyle's law. Remember, Boyle's law is consisted of pressure, and it is inverse. Thank you. Well, I have some more time. I'm going to explain to you some more that you might need to know. I'm going to sing a rap that this lady gave to me. My rap goes like this. Nah, that's alright, I don't have to rap. But back to Boyle's law. Let me see what else kind of Boyle. He also told me to just pretty much just help everyone with Boyle's law, and it always is going to be P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2. Well, Hell yeah, standard pressure is always going to be 100. So if you ever have a problem and they ask what is standard pressure, they don't give you your other pressure. Standard pressure is always going to be 100. And this is the end of Boyle's Law by Thomas Smith. Thank you, class. Thank you, Ms. Johnson. Love y'all.